How to import 2D files. SmartCut Quote supports 2D formats, DXF and DWG, making it easy to work with a wide range of design files. To get started with importing your 2D designs, follow these steps. Begin by clicking on the Add File icon, located on the main screen of the software. This action will open the Windows File dialog, allowing you to browse through your folders and locate the DXF or DWG files you wish to import. If you have multiple files to import, SmartCut Quote makes this process simple. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard to select individual files one by one. If you prefer to select a continuous range of files, hold down the Shift key and click the first and last files in the sequence. This way, all files in between will be selected automatically. Once you've chosen the files you want to import, click the Open button. The selected files will then be loaded into SmartCut Quote, ready for you to move forward with your quoting process. This approach helps you efficiently manage your 2D files, ensuring that you can focus on delivering accurate and timely quotes. Importance of clean drawings. SmartCut Quote only processes clean drawings for accurate quotation, so it's essential to clean or fix any issues before proceeding. Ensuring your drawings are free from errors, like double lines, gaps, or unnecessary entities, is crucial for providing precise estimations. By taking time to clean up your drawings, you can be confident that SmartCut Quote will deliver the most accurate quotes possible.